Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got a small order from Misfits. That's because this is right before New Year's Eve. Today is December 29th. All of Christmas week and the week following is absolutely crazy for me. I'm coaching a lot because all the kids are out of school. Plus, we have our holiday shows at 2 of the rinks. One of them is tomorrow, and the other one is on New Year's Day. So I really have to help my skaters prepare, which means I'm not home to cook dinner. So I have a lot of things in the freezer that we've been eating when I do get home, because unfortunately, Colin is just not a good cook at all. We've tried. It just doesn't end well. So I put things in the freezer, and I do have a little bit of room and a little bit of prepped food in the freezer. I prepared for that, even with that giant butcher box order. And if you missed that, there's a link to it in the description down below. This is small, but I thought you might like to see it anyway. Let's get this box open and find out what's inside. We have our useless piece of cardboard. I don't see an ice pack. And this took a little bit longer than usual to get, and I don't see an ice pack. That's strange. We have our poultry seasoning blend, and I got this because, as many of you know, I did turkey for Christmas instead of beef roast. I froze the leftover turkey. When I get around to it, when things calm down and are less busy, I'm gonna make a soup, hopefully next week, and I'm gonna need this to do that. You know what I forgot to tell you? If you haven't tried Misfits yet and you wanna give them a try, there's a link in the description down below. This is not sponsored by Misfits. I paid for all this. But if you use that link, you'll get a credit off your first order, and I'll get a credit off my next order. So if you want to help support me and the channel and this content for you, use that link in the description. At the end of this video, I'm going to go over what everything in here cost me exactly. I'm going to go over my receipt with you, so stay until the very end. We have some romaine, some cornbread muffin mix, and Colin loves cornbread. When I make chili, I have to make cornbread. Figured we'd try this one out. This is gluten-free and whole grain. Pamela's. And I've actually gotten brownies from Pamela's that were super good. I made Peyton her birthday brownies with them a few years ago. Some strawberries. And guys, this is super weird that there's no ice pack in here. Everything seems to be okay. But it's weird, because maybe they figure it's cool outside, but it's not that cold. Then we have some stuffed grape leaves, and we've gotten these before, and I've talked about it before. When you get these from Trader Joe's, the can is much deeper. It's just a little bit smaller. It's not as deep, for about the same price, but I can't get to Trader Joe's. I don't have time, and as most of you know, I don't want to be in a grocery store right now. I'm ordering everything as much as I can. And this is about the same price, I believe, but we're gonna check that receipt. We've got some avocados, and I believe these were listed as small avocados. And they are small, but I don't really want big avocados, so this works for me. This is the little cardboard contraption that the strawberries were in. A sleeve? Duh, it's a sleeve. Uh-oh. This always happens. Zucchini, and can you see that it's split? It's not in the best shape, and it's kind of small. Nevertheless, it is zucchini. Some green beans. These look good. Broccolini, and on apart. I love broccolini. Do you guys like broccolini? I prefer it over broccoli. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. Broccoli or broccolini? Which one do you like better? And then some scallions. Those are just always good to have. Like if you make tuna or something, throw in the scallions. This zucchini looks much better than that first one. This is like almost perfect. The first one's definitely a misfit. And then we've got summer squash and some fennel. This is a very healthy looking fennel. Okay, so I'm gonna get my receipt and I'm gonna show you. This isn't a lot of stuff, like I said, but I'll show you what we've got. You can tell me what you think of it, and I'll tell you what it cost. Okay, so this is what I got looks like. And then we have the grape leaves and the cornbread and the strawberries over here. Not a lot of stuff. So let's take a look at that receipt. So the strawberries were a little high. They aren't organic. Everything, all the produce is organic, by the way, just so you know. So the prices might seem a little higher to you if you're not used to buying organic. But the strawberries were 1 pound for $6.29. That, even for organic, is a little high. But guys, the prices are going up on everything right now. So I don't know that I would get a better deal at the store if I could even find organic strawberries. But leave me a comment down below and let me know what your experience is. The scallions were $1.19. The broccolini was $3.99. The romaine was $3.99. Green beans were $4.49. The zucchini was 2 for $2.29. One of them wasn't so great, but I feel like that's fair. The fennel was $1.89. The poultry herb blend was 1.5 ounces for $3.99. The stuffed grape leaves were $3.49. And I feel like I've gotten them from Trader Joe's in a much bigger or deeper container for under $3. Maybe I'm hallucinating. It's been a while since I've done that. Let me know what your experience has been. Good price, bad price? Leave me a comment. Let me know. The cornbread muffin mix was $3.99 and the avocados were 2 for $2.99. So my total was $40.78. Shipping was $4.50. So my grand total was $45.28. And Misfits says that's a savings of $13.57. But what do you think? Is this a good value? Did I save money doing this? What do you think of what I got? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, if you want to give Misfits a try, you can use my link in the description down below to save off your first order and help me get a credit off my next order. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you know someone else that wants to save some money on their groceries or even just avoid going to the store, share it with them and just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week that can help you with your nutrition, your fitness, and your figure skating. So hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you never miss a video. This is Aimée. Happy New Year. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.